Mookata is a unique Thai dining experience that combines grilling and hot pot cooking right at your table. A special dome-shaped grill sits in the center, where you can cook various marinated meats. Surrounding the grill is a moat filled with flavorful broth for boiling vegetables, noodles, and more. As the juices from the grilled meats drip into the broth, it becomes richer and more delicious with every bite. It's a fun, interactive way to enjoy a meal with friends and family. When you miss the flavor of Mookrata in the Netherlands, come to Asian BBQ in Schiedam. Since 2008, every second half of the year, Mischa and Miranda have been serving the only Mookata in South Holland.
So this place we opened only 1 month, so 28th of July we stop here because 1st of August everyone has to leave this place because we're gonna break it down, and then we move to another location on the same glasfabriek area, but we want to open 7, so we have like 10 days to open at the new location. So we're very optimistic about it. We're not sure. So we have no reservations so far because we don't know if we can make it on time. Probably we will. And then from August till the end of the year we're open on the other location. And hopefully we can extend it for another season. Chili, soy sauce, red chili, and the fish sauce with the chili peppers, spicy one. The homemade sauces are over there. Follow me.
Yes.
You remember, so we have beef, chicken, pork, squid, fish balls, shrimp. You take a plate, and you fill it like this.
Yes.
And it has to end like this. So the meat part is best to put on the barbecue because the flavors will go in the soup. But like shrimp or fish, you can also grill, but you can also put it straight away in the soup. It's up to you. The homemade sauces, the spicy one, nice with the fish, and this is the suki sauce. This is the all-round special barbecue sauce. And then here we have also the rice. And the vegetables, if it's finished, then this is the cucumber salad, nice and fresh. When you eat the spicy, you can eat a little bit of that, and maybe it will help.
Yes.
That's and one person, vegetable stock, sorry. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Whether in the bustling streets of Bangkok or the quaint settings of Schiedam, Mookrata brings people together for a delicious, interactive meal. Which Mookrata experience will you choose? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more food adventures.
See you next time.